Today we will see how to grow turmeric in pots and containers right from planting till harvesting. Turmeric grows as rhizomes in the roots like gingers and they are planted at the same time. So stay tuned to know more about it. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So if we talk about how to grow turmeric, it's grown by its rhizomes. You don't need any seed or seedlings. You can easily get its rhizomes from the store or online. Choose an old rhizome with growth buds for faster germination like we do for growing gingers. Now if we talk about its pot selection and potting soil, choose 10 to 12 inches deep pot which has to be wide also for growing turmeric as it grows horizontally like gingers. Now coming to its potting soil, take 50% garden soil and 50% compost. Prepare a well-drained potting soil. If your soil is compact, then add some river sand to it, make it fluffy, soft and airy. Now sow the rhizomes at least 1 to 2 inches deep into the soil, water it well, keep the pot somewhere it can get at least 2 to 3 hours of sunlight daily. And within 2 to 3 weeks, you will see few rhizomes will start sprouting, you will see shoots and leaves growing into it. Now if we talk about what is the best time to grow turmeric, you can grow turmeric and gingers at the same time, anytime between April to June or when the temperature goes between 25 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and turmeric gets ready in 6 to 8 months for harvest. Turmeric grows well in hot and humid weather conditions. The only thing you need to keep in mind is do not overwater your turmeric plants. Water it only when the topsoil looks dry, it feels dry. Otherwise, the rhizomes will get rotten. Now, as and when the temperature goes down, that is in winters, you will see the plant will go dormant. Its leaves will start turning yellow and dry, and that is the time when you need to regulate its watering. And after 6 months, once you see the plant looks something like this, leaves will turn brown, crisp, and that is the time when you need to harvest it. This is my first attempt at growing turmeric and I am satisfied with the results. Now just wash it thoroughly, keep it for drying, and it's ready to use after 2 days. You can even make powder out of it, just boil it, slice it into pieces and then sun dry it for about 5 to 6 days, grind it and then sieve it. Your organic fresh turmeric powder is ready. That's all for today guys. See you.